In celebration of 25 years Polar Research and commemoration of 120 years anniversary of Universiti Malaya's leadership extends beyond the ice. Ranking 58th in the QS World University Rankings 2026, Universiti Malaya continues to shape the global education movement. Our dedication to sustainable development has placed us among the world's top institutions, ranking 98th globally for SDG 13, Climate Action, 12th for SDG 15, Life on Land, 7th for SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, 4th for SDG 1, No Poverty, ranked 1st in Asia and 6th in the world for SDG 15, Life Below Water, and notably, ranking 1st for SDG 17, Partnerships for the Gold. These recognitions are not just numbers, they're proof of a university deeply rooted in purpose, constantly evolving, and rising with the needs of our planet. Universiti Malaya stood at the forefront, leading Malaysia's journey into polar science. Now in 2025, we proudly celebrate 25 years of high-impact Antarctic research, a milestone that reflects our unwavering commitment to advancing global knowledge. The first steps onto the Antarctic ice were more than just footprints. They were the beginning of a bold Malaysian legacy. A legendary team led by Professor Azizan embarked on a mission to uncover the secrets hidden within ancient polar ice. On board the icebreaker, they braved towering tides and unforgiving weather, pushing through the extremes of the frozen south to bring back a historic scientific achievement for Malaysia. The journey marked a defining moment, not just for the team, but for the nation.
Well, I have always been against colonialism, against the setting up of empires. Among the land that is left uncolonized is Antarctica. So already the rich countries are claiming it as as belonging to them. That this is wrong. It should belong to the world. And that is why the first thing I did when I became Prime Minister was to try and identify land that is still available. And among them is Antarctica. So Antarctica should be a global common, that it belongs to the whole globe, not to any one country. Yeah, since there will be changes, and in a way we can anticipate the change, we should carry out studies. When climate change, how do we react? You know, I was in Japan. The temperature in Japan is going up. They are now planting rice that can survive in hot climate. That is the kind of attitude you should have, that you should anticipate the change and prepare for the change. So this is going to concern future generation. Future generation means the young people.
The expedition didn't just answer questions, it opened new doors. Inspired by their discoveries, Universiti Malaya researchers launched pioneering projects that span 7 key themes. At the edge of our planet, the polar regions serve as Earth's early warning system. Research on melting glaciers, thawing permafrost, and fragile ecosystems reveals how these icy landscapes shape our climate, future, and global stability. Perhaps the greatest lessons come from life in extreme environments. Even in the coldest, harshest conditions, survival strategies, from frozen microbes to cold-adapted insects, reveal resilience, inspiring new medicines, innovative materials, and even strategies for space exploration. Beyond the ice lies the hidden world of microbes. From the frozen soils of Antarctica to the human gut, these unseen life forms recycle nutrients, drive ecosystem balance, and inspire breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. Every ecosystem tells a story of balance and resilience, from phytoplankton that sustain ocean life to soils that store vast amounts of carbon. Biodiversity underpins the resources and services that humanity depends on daily. Yet this balance is increasingly tested by climate systems and extreme weather. Weather extremes are no longer distant concerns. By studying global forces like El Niño, lightning, and atmospheric interactions, science equips societies to prepare for floods, droughts, and heat waves. At the same time, we must confront environmental stressors and pollution impacts. Radiation, toxic metals, and microplastics leave lasting scars on ecosystems and human health. Studying these threats helps us safeguard biodiversity and design safer solutions for the future. To protect these frontiers, strong policies and governance are vital. Safeguarding Antarctica and the Southern Ocean ensures not only the survival of biodiversity, but also the continued advancement of scientific discovery that benefits us all. Today, we, the Universiti Malaya Antarctic Research Team, look back not only with nostalgia, but with determination and commitment. We're proud of what we've achieved and ever ready to embrace the exciting discoveries of what's still ahead. With continued research, global collaboration, and unwavering curiosity, we aim to bring Malaysia to greater heights in the world of climate action, science, and sustainability.